Holy Jesus. What is that? What the fuck is that?
Hello everyone, Nucleus here. Today is going to be a talking head video about PC building. I'm doing this for a few reasons. This past summer I built my nephew a new gaming PC as a graduation gift, and I helped a friend's niece build her first gaming PC. However, I've encountered lots of people who seem to be absolutely terrified of opening a PC or even installing Windows. I get that. Maybe it was because I was used to taking stuff apart as a kid that I was comfortable taking PCs apart and putting them back together. The second reason is that with the release of AMD's Granite Ridge CPUs in August and Intel's Arrow Lake CPUs in October, I figured this would be the best place to start. New processors, new motherboards, new video cards on the horizon, but those won't be coming out for a while. The last reason is that building your own PC gives you the opportunity to get out of your comfort zone and learn something new and learn problem solving skills. I'll admit I'm a little biased, but I find planning, building, and troubleshooting computers fun and fulfilling. Now that I'm getting into overclocking, I'm interested in how far I can push the performance of my gaming PC once it's completed. I'm hoping this introduction and other videos in this series will pique your curiosity and motivate you into thinking about pursuing your own custom PC build. Now, if you're interested in PC gaming, but don't want to go through the process of planning a PC build, selecting the parts, looking for deals, and putting them all together, I understand that. There are a number of reputable system integrators with different pre-built PCs that can fulfill your needs. The advantage of buying a pre-built PC is that when it comes to warranty issues, you can just talk to the SI, and they'll be able to deal with getting parts replaced or repaired by the manufacturer of the different PC parts. If you build it yourself, make sure you hold on to that warranty information for all the different components and from all those different manufacturers. When building your first PC, you need to think about what you're most likely going to be using it for. Is it only for gaming? Are you streaming? Are you doing any video editing? Will you be using this for schoolwork? There's no point in spending $1,500 on a graphics card when all you plan on doing is playing Minecraft, Fortnite, and Roblox. Same goes for buying a high-end motherboard. Are you overclocking? Do you really need 10 USB ports with RAM speeds increasing? Do you really have to ask yourself, do I need to spend $350 on 48 gigabytes of DDR5 at 8200 mega transfers per second? Or do I need 128 gigabytes of RAM? Why spend money on high-end parts for features that you're probably not going to use when there are more affordable options available? Why not save some of that money and put it towards your CPU or video card? Also, as a way of saving money, you can also look for bundles. Micro Center and Newegg are known for their CPU motherboard combo deals, and sometimes you can find similar deals on Amazon. So here are the parts that you'll need for building a PC. You'll need a motherboard, a CPU, the CPU cooler, a GPU or graphics card, RAM, storage in either the form of a solid state drive or a mechanical hard drive, power supply, PC case, operating system, and peripherals. In future videos, I'll be breaking down each of these parts and their role in building your first PC. To assist in a new PC build and give you additional tools for an additional tool for visualization, I will be using the website PC Part Picker. Besides showing you a number of different components, PC Part Picker has a couple of tools that will be indispensable in planning your next build, or your first build. One is its compatibility checker. This tool will show you if you run into compatibility issues, like pairing an Intel Core 9 Ultra 285K CPU with an AM4 X570 motherboard. Another tool that PC Part Picker has is a tool that will help you keep track of the current wattage of all the parts you've added into your build, which will help you decide on the size of the power supply that you'll need. Finally, PC Part Picker does keep track of prices, showing you the price from different online retailers. And in this case, you might even find some of those combo deals that I mentioned earlier. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope that this will at least make you think about building your own computer someday. I hope you'll stop by in our next video where I start going into the different parts of the PC and the selection. So thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.